What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping for the first time, feel free to get down there, click subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload. Based on the last video, if you guys have not seen yet, I had so many messages in my inbox. A lot of you were interested in most of the parts for the lift, ideally as local as possible. Michigan, Indiana, Kentucky, Pennsylvania, Ohio. Ideally, that would be best. Shipping will cost a lot of money, so I don't want to, sell it to you, but then you have to pay for shipping, and then you're like, well, this wasn't really a deal. Mainly just because I got to ship hundreds of pounds of metal to a state across the country. So local would be ideal, but the lift will be for sale when my other lift comes in and my other wheels comes in, because I'm gonna swap them, and when I take the other one off, I'll have all that cleaned up and ready for whoever to purchase. But I know there's a lot of people interested, so that's awesome. Next thing, guys, I want to announce something awesome that happened today. Actually, we picked up another sponsor for our Daytona build, and it's awesome. South Bend Clutch is jumping on board with us here on our build, and she's not gonna have a slipping clutch much longer, I could tell you that. We ordered up a South Bend dual disc 3250 GK. Will hold up to 650 horsepower on this truck. Now, I'm not, obviously the truck is gonna be lifted and it's a big tire, so I'm not trying to make it 1,000 horsepower 6-speed manual truck. No, I mean, once the clutch goes in, I could bump the horsepower and tunes and mods and stuff like that. That will be awesome. Honestly, opens the door to a whole new realm of mods, which I've been holding off for because the transmission cannot hold it even as it sits right now. I crank the tune up, or I leave it in the low tune and I get on it. You can feel the thing slip. It doesn't want to pull as it should, so that's where I'm at. So now that we have a clutch on the way, it opens a whole new realm between now and, obviously June, Daytona. From then on out, power mods can be done because the transmission will now be able to hold that. So that's an awesome, awesome announcement. The clutch should be here Wednesday, I think, Wednesday or Thursday, and then hopefully, if all goes as planned, get it installed this weekend. And wow, that will be awesome. But also with last video, the consensus seems to be green and black. So the consensus is green and black, just how it sits now. I know it's dark out, but that's wintertime for you. But green and black, just how it sits, but a whole lot bigger. I mean, the truck looks awesome, don't get me wrong, and you can't see anything on the side. Wonderful. But yes, the consensus is green and black, but obviously bigger. It'll probably sit like, I'd assume, but yeah. So not that I'm opposed to green and black, because honestly that's my mindset right now, but like I told you guys, I don't want to sit there and go go green and black, and then I'm sitting there like, oh, I wish I went purple. I'm gonna rest on it for a couple days and see. Mainly it's matching the suspension to the wheels, because that's the only thing, holding me up in theory, because I can order the black suspension and then I can have them strip the black and then powder coat certain parts purple. But it's if I want purple wheels to match, that's a little harder to do because those will be made purple in production. However, I honestly think that if I did green and black, the truck would turn out awesome, clean, and I would not have to worry about anything ever, because then once the show is done, I will still have a clean, mean green, awesome daily driver. That's my thing. I don't want to have this giant show truck I can't, drive around. It looks funny hooked up to a trailer, hauling stuff. I don't want to be that show truck that, hooks up to a trailer just to show people they use the truck. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of a weird concept, but everyone's like, dude, build an awesome truck, powder the suspension, this, that, and the other. But I don't want to build just a show truck. I want to build a daily that's still usable. And I mean, that's part of the reason why I'm picking the lift I'm going with. Usable is key, but I want to make it usable, and I don't want to make it just showy where you got to drive. I want it to look awesome and big, but still mean, tough, and rugged. That's why I think green and black is the choice that I will make and finalize hopefully this week, because the longer you wait, the lift obviously takes a month to be made, and the wheels take about a month and a half to be made. So I want to make sure I make the right decision, but also make it promptly. That's a little long-winded update, but I want to say thank you guys for the support. Thank you for all the comments and recommendations for, you know, the truck build and stuff going here forward, but it's gonna get crazy and wild real quick here, especially with the clutch coming, because horsepower mods can then, I guess, proceed after that. But anyway, Ben's outside doing something wild to his Jeep. This is just something that's a little funny and I thought was kind of awesome, so we're gonna see how this all goes down. It's very creative. I think I've seen pictures of it being done, but not seeing how it's been done, so we're gonna make it happen today. Let's see what he's getting into out here.
Hey!
So if you're looking at this right now, if there's two things in this picture, you can guess what's going on. Both of them happen to be green.
People all like comment like, oh, you're with the red dash, your Jeep's very Christmassy. I'll show you Christmassy.
So here, this tree and this Jeep, like I said, I think I've seen pictures of it done, but not how it actually gets done. And yeah, this is gonna be interesting, but pretty much this tree is gonna be put onto the Jeep in a location that might surprise you. But yeah, I mean, I guess this is the most efficient way to do so. Just spin her on. Oh gosh, look at this mess.
Did you turn my... Oh, you have it over there.
Those will work. I don't know if these are short or not. Fluff it out, because that's a little ridiculous. But we should totally plug it in, make sure she works.
Alright, so there we go.
Ooh, that looks like trash at the bottom. We gotta fix that.
Yeah. You think that's lit enough?
Oh, it's lit. Unless we can put more lights. Did you grab these by any chance?
Yeah, I think those ones are the ones that don't work. They're the ones that are coiling.
We're gonna send it anyway.
Ah, so you have.
Stupid. This ball of mess. Oh, hello. Give it a little shake and it'll work. Yeah, we just need to fluff it.
Oh no, some of these lights aren't.
Just shake it. Not bad. Those branches at the bottom here, kick those out. Like, just kind of fluff them. These things are all tangled up in here. If we fluff it out, I think it'll be fine. Heck yeah.
I'm thinking if I move my driver's side panel here, I have...
That's a horn.
Just
it works, by the way.
I have just a little bit of space here that I can run it down through here, and then I can use my extension cord to get to the 3-prong in the back.
Well, you better run it down a pillar so it doesn't look like crap.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just throw it up there. Yeah, just kind of center it up, and then we'll do the driver top in a second, and then we'll run. Yeah, a little further back, it's pretty long. Yes, and then we'll just have to run that down. Now he's got pine needles everywhere. See what you can do. You keep the tree out, just run the cord in.
I'm trying to get the tree out.
I mean, yeah. Ideally, you need to run them on your fenders and stuff too, to get like the full effect, but not bad. Looks good. You just need the like the full effect. Like, that's awesome though. Ideally, try and get it like in the tree, like kind of let the branches go around it. I mean, that's decently tight. Okay. Okay, do it again. I mean, overall, not bad. Especially, I mean, we got all ratchet strapped in here. Obviously, we gotta tie the straps up when we get that, but not bad over the roll bar and everything. So we're just gonna tie those straps up. But other than that, not bad at all. So if you're ever wondering how to stick a live working Christmas tree on top of your Jeep, not bad. It looks awesome, actually. Need some red wheels now. All right, guys, there's a mess there. I mean, the tree's up there. A little bit of straightening, and we'll test it how it actually lasts on the road tomorrow. He's actually driving 2 hours on the highway with that thing strapped like that, so we'll see if that does not fly off. Who knows about that. However, like I said, guys, South Bend, that clutch is coming in. We got after that, performance mods can be added. I'm gonna let me know any little last minute decisions here on the lift, because like I said earlier, I'm about to order that thing because, you know, it's months. It's about a month out on the lift and a month and a half or so, month and a week on the wheels, but kind of want to settle down and pick on that. I know a lot of you guys are interested in that. Like I said, the lift will officially be purchasable. I mean, unless you want to buy it today and you're like, it's mine, and we can figure out the money that way, but it'll be for actual sale after I take it off. But you know, a lot of you guys were interested, so I really want to settle down on my lift so I can get that going and the wheels going, so I can then figure out the tires and all of that. But yeah, let me know also if you want to see me and Ben do dumb stuff like this all the time, because this is kind of what we do, and I just decided to include it because it happened to be going on when I was filming the the other part of this video. So let me know if you want to do that more often. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video, and obviously lots and lots coming soon now with that clutch in you know, clutch in route, because so many more power modifications can now happen because my clutch will be able to handle that. So I say thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.